Hello beautiful people. I haven't been vlogging for this 4-day trip, but this is the end of my 4-day trip. I just started the vlog, but today I signed up for Lyft and Postmates because I'm trying to make some extra money on the side. Even though I do the flight attendant stuff, I still make money in the flight attendant, but the thing is that with flight attendants you only can work a certain amount of hours a month, block hours a month according to the federal regulations law. And then I have all these days off, like 13 days off, and on my days off I do my business, my boutique. But still on my boutique, the money I'm receiving, I'm kind of like putting back into the boutique. So I want to pay off my student loans, my car payments, little stuff like that, and I'm trying to save up to buy a house and stuff like that. So I decided to sign up for Postmates and Lyft. So tomorrow is my inspection for Lyft, and I'm kind of super nervous, a little bit nervous on it. I know flight attendants who've done Uber, Lyft, Postmates, all that extra stuff, and they said to make okay money. So I was okay, fine. While I'm at home, you know, sometimes not doing anything, I can just drive around and do that. I'm not worried about the wear and tear on my car, because that's what you buy a car for really at the end of the day, because they're gonna have wear and tear no matter what. So I'm not really worrying about that. When it comes to the food side, I'm a little bit nervous about the Lyft side, because you don't know what type of passengers you're gonna get, and I don't want passengers vomiting in my car, because I ain't trying to clean up other people's vomit. And just the little things like that. Smoking, I can't take smoking, and so little crazy stuff like that. So I'm a little nervous about that part, so I'm gonna figure stuff out. I don't know if I'll keep Lyft yet, but I'll maybe work a day or two and see how it goes. But I'll probably keep Postmates and maybe sign up for like Uber Eats or something like that. But yes, so I will start the vlog for that tomorrow, but this is like an introduction into it of my Lyft. So the inspection is at 1 p.m. and my car is a hot mess, so I know I have to clean it out, vacuum it, and all that kind of stuff, since it's an inspection, so it's like a presentation, you know what I mean? So I have to do all that stuff before the appointment tomorrow. So I'm gonna get ready, get downstairs to my shuttle, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hello my beautiful people, good morning, well good afternoon. So last night I was telling you guys that today is my Lyft orientation, but my mom, when I came home, my mom have a doctor's appointment today. She has to do some x-ray, ultrasound, and all that good stuff around the same time is my Lyft orientation. So threw that out the window is like a sign saying don't go for Lyft right now. So I basically sent a message and let them know that I gotta reschedule for some other time, so I won't be doing it today. I was kind of like iffy about it too anyways, so I decided to that I'm gonna do Postmates and Uber Eats. So Postmates and Uber Eats, that's what I'm gonna start doing after I come back from my next trip. So hopefully that work out. So right now I'm just running all over the place, getting some groceries and stuff, since I'm going on another 4-day tomorrow, because I only have 1 day off, which is today. And since I have to bring her to her doctor's appointment and all that good stuff, I decided to go grocery shopping. And while I'm doing that, there's some clothes in the laundry, they're getting washed in the meantime. So I kind of want to kill two birds with one stone in a way. So that's why, yeah, so that's it with that. I'm getting caught up with my videos, guys, because I'm extremely backed up with videos. So that's why you guys seen a lot of videos rolling out Christmas. I put them kind of like in a Christmas vlog type thing. Pretty sure by the time you guys see this one, it's probably gonna be after Christmas. So yes, I'm behind in editing my videos, and I'm so sorry for that. As I said, my layovers were super short, so I couldn't do anything. And on my days off, as today, I'm like running all over the place. So the only time I'm gonna be editing, when my mom is doing her ultrasound and her x-ray, I'm just gonna do some editing during that time. Also have to reply to emails from my customers because my online boutique, and that's going well. Not as well as I expect, but it's going, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna stress myself out about it. I'm just gonna keep on pushing and stuff like that. So I'm gonna get into this grocery store real quick, and I'll be back.
Emerald City brings out its best holiday party package.
What the heck is this? What's this is? Horny goat weed. What the heck is this? Is a tea. What the heck? Okay, I understand detox. I understand that, but this right here? No, I don't. That's like another level of tea right there. Okay guys, so I just left the store, the supermarket, so I'm heading home right now to pick up my mom and bring her to her doctor's appointment. I have a whole bunch of stuff in the car. My next trip is a 4-day trip, so I brought a whole bunch of stuff plus stuff to stuff for her to eat at home while I'm gone, since it's cold right now, so she doesn't have to go outside to get anything. And since she has pinched nerves and it's acting up, and you know it's a winter time, so a lot of things act up in the winter time, so she doesn't have to walk and do all that kind of extra stuff when I'm gone. So I'll be back for 4 days, and after that I have 3 days off. I'm so happy for that. Can't wait. Good thing that this 4-day trip is not that long. No, this 4-day trip, it has decent layover. I can work out and stuff like that, which I like on my days off, my trips. I like on my trips, I like to work out on my trips. I don't like trips that has not much layover time, but sometimes I do get those trips and I can't drop them because the credit are so good. But this month I'm working 118 credit this month. Yes, it's a lot, and I have 11 days off this month, so 118 credit with 11 days off, still decent. And we can only schedule ourselves to work up to 110 block hours per month. That's the only thing that we can schedule ourselves for. Other than that, past that we cannot. Some airlines are different. Some airlines don't have those rules and regulations. Some airlines don't have union, and because of that, you know, they can get away with that. But with my airline, we have a union, and they follow the rules and regulations according to our union and the federal regulations. They're enforcing that. So that's a good thing to work for a company that has union. So you're protected in a lot of different ways. It's raining too on top of that, and I'm not sure why. It's Thursday and it's just so much traffic. Why there's so much traffic, I have no clue, but it's just so much traffic today. So these people, they don't have a key to get in, and they're pressing buttons like no tomorrow. And darn well, if you're pressing buttons and nobody answers, that means the person ain't home. Move on. Let the next person in line. There's like 4 cars in front of me waiting to get in. Okay guys, so I went home, dropped the groceries off. It was like 2:04, and I was like, Mommy, it's time for us to go. She wasn't even ready, honey. She had just started blow drying her hair. Like, why would you wash your hair the last minute when you go into your doctor's appointment? And she knows she got like the friggin' horse African American type, Jamaican type coarse hair that, you know, blow dryer, you have to go like in it for it to dry. Anyway, she finally dried. It was close to 2:30. Her appointment is 2:40, and this is 25 minutes away from the house. Yes. Anywho, we got here, told her to call him, let him know that it's raining and it's traffic, whatever was not. Say she was still on her appointment. I'm hoping that they'll still see her for her appointment, because she missed the appointment time, honey. Yes, she did. She sure did. So, I drink my Thickum shake because I didn't eat anything this morning. And then I am going to go edit some videos for you guys. In the meantime, I'm waiting for her. I'm in the car waiting for her while she's doing her doctor's appointment. And then I'm going to sign up for Uber Eats because I didn't sign up for it yet. So during that time, I'm going to sign up for Uber Eats. And hopefully I can get through right away. So when I come back from my next trip, come back from my 4-day trip, I can start Uber Eats like right away, or Postmates right away, and start making that money, because, yeah, the struggle is real.